welcome back to the vlog. It has been so long since I've done a work week in my life, so that is what we're doing this week. It is Monday. It's 10 o'clock right now. I logged on to work at 9 and I've just been like catching up on emails that came in over the weekend. My work morning routine, especially on Mondays, is just like going through my entire inbox, and I try not to like respond to emails as I'm doing that. Instead, anything that I need to respond to, I just note. I have like a separate Google Doc that's just an ongoing to-do list with like the little check boxes. And so if I see anything as I'm filtering through my email that I need to respond to, I'll just like note that in my to-do list. And that way it doesn't take a million years to get through all of my emails because I'm not responding to them as I go. Instead, I can just like lay out exactly everything that I need to respond to, everything that I need to do throughout the day. And then I can kind of go from there and like do it in the order that makes the most sense. So I just finished doing that and I have a pretty hefty to-do list for today. Also, my Mondays have become very call heavy, basically for all of the accounts that I'm on, like all the different brands and campaigns that I'm working on. We usually have like one weekly internal call that's just our team. And then we also have a weekly or bi-weekly client call that's with our team and then like the brand's team. Literally all of my internal calls fall on Mondays, which is kind of nice because it's like a good chat with my team in the beginning of the week to like figure out what we have to do this week. Also, internal calls are obviously more relaxed than like client calls, so it's kind of nice to just like get them all done on a Monday. But I have 6 calls on my calendar today, which is a lot. So that is what my day is looking like. Gonna drink lots of water this week. It is the end of the workday. It was a busy day. Mondays are wild, but we made it through. It is about to be 7:30. I need to update the clock on my stove because it was daylight savings and I haven't changed it yet. Everyone on calls today was like saying how daylight savings like throws them off so much, which it definitely does. But I love spring daylight savings. Besides the obvious that like the sun sets so much later, I also love waking up at my normal time, but it's still being dark outside. I feel like some people need light to like make them want to get out of bed, which is understandable. But for me, if I wake up naturally and I see that it's still dark outside, I'm like, wow, like I'm such a morning person. Anyway, I just went downstairs to pick up some packages and I'm so excited to open this. I got my delivery from Thrive Market. Thank you so much to Thrive Market for sponsoring today's video. If you aren't already familiar with Thrive Market, I'm going to give you the lowdown because it is seriously life-changing and it makes buying your favorite grocery products so much easier and more affordable. Thrive Market is an online membership-based grocery store and their mission is to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone. Ever since becoming a full-time working gal, I feel like finding time to grocery shop can be so hard. I hate going to the grocery store on the weekends because everyone in the world is there and it's so crowded. But then if I go during the week, I have to like wake up extra early to be able to go before work. So shopping on Thrive Market makes it so much easier because I can still buy my favorite brands and products, but I can do it from the comfort of my apartment and have it delivered right to me. As a Thrive Market member, you are guaranteed to save money on every single order, and they even price match for you. So if you find a product somewhere else for cheaper, they will match that price. Also, an annual membership is only $60 and you're guaranteed to make that back in savings, but if for some reason you don't, they actually credit you the difference. So a membership is literally a no-brainer. Plus with the membership, you always get free shipping on orders over $49, so there's no added shipping or delivery fees. It's literally so fun browsing the different products and brands on Thrive Market. I feel like I discover so many new brands looking on their website versus like when you're in a grocery store, it can be overwhelming, so you just like go to what you know. Plus, I love that you can filter products by different diets, so you can filter to only see like vegan products or gluten-free products, so it's really customizable to your specific lifestyle. I'm gonna do a little grocery haul of the products that I got. If you guys want to try Thrive Market for yourself, I have a discount code to share. You can join Thrive Market today to get 30% off your first order plus a free gift worth up to $60. Just click the link in the description below or go to thrivemarket.com/MaddieCidlik. Okay, let's get into the haul because I know that's what we all are here to see. Starting with these Manitoba Harvest hemp hearts, I have gotten back into my smoothie kick. These are always good to mix into smoothies. Okay, Kitty, can you not? She sees a box and instantly wants to go in it. Next, I got a bag of Purely Elizabeth granola. If you've been subscribed for like a long time, I used to always shout this brand out. It's literally the best granola, and if you buy it at other retailers, it can be so expensive, but I got it on Thrive for a much more affordable price. Next, I got these Simple Mills nut butter stuffed cookies. They're cacao cashew cream cookies. I heard a lot of good things about this brand too because they have super minimal ingredients. Another brand that I feel like is so hyped up for a reason, I got the Siete chips in the salt and vinegar flavor. I feel like I'm always lacking good snacks in my apartment, so that's what I really like stocked up on in this haul. For a nice, quick, healthy snack during the workday, I got these Mama Chia prebiotic chia squeeze snack things. I got the strawberry lemonade flavor. Next, another one of my favorite brands, I got these crackers from Hue Kitchen. I've never tried their crackers. I've only ever tried like their chocolate bars and chocolate products, but I got these. They're pizza flavored crackers. Very intrigued. Also super minimal ingredients. Then another little sweet snack, I got these Heavenly Hunks oatmeal chocolate chip little bites. Oatmeal chocolate chip is my favorite like cookie flavor, so these are like a little gluten-free bite. And then last but not least, I just got 2 of these cold brews. They're from the brand Wandering Bear. I always like to have cold brew on hand during the work week for my second cup of coffee of the day. I usually like wake up, have my hot coffee every morning, but then around like 11, 12, I need another little something. So for that, I like to use cold brew to make an iced coffee, so I will definitely be having these this week. And that is everything. I literally got all of that for like $50, which I feel like if I bought these at certain grocery stores, it would be so much more than that. Can't wait to try out my little snackies. Making a nice coffee with my little Frenchy ice cube tray. I don't know where this is from. My mom got it for me. Little lemons. Happy Tuesday, another work day done. I just logged off a little while ago. I had another busy but productive day. I got a lot done. I'm hoping that the rest of this week kind of like chills out with like workload. Now I am headed to a Pilates class at 7:30, wearing this top and leggings both from Amazon. I'll have them linked down below. Putting on my Pilates socks. If you guys haven't taken Reformer Pilates before, basically you're supposed to wear the socks that have like the little rubber grippy thing on the bottom so you don't slide around. I only wear the brand Tavi, I think is how you say it. I am like weirdly picky with socks, and I've tried other brands for Pilates socks on like Amazon and stuff, and they just are not the same. These are like a little pricier, but they are very worth it if you're gonna be going to Pilates a lot. Hi guys, it is Wednesday. I am pretty much done with work for the day. I might have to send off a few more emails before I officially am logged off, but I'm getting ready right now because I'm actually headed into the city because we're having an office happy hour after work today. A bunch of New York people are in the office right now. I was debating going to the office and working from there today, but I decided against it just because I didn't feel like taking Lennon over to my parents' house. So I'm just gonna meet everyone for drinks after. That is one thing that will get me to go into the city on Wednesdays, free drinks. So I'm just getting ready now, but I haven't like seen my coworkers in so long. I haven't really been into the office in person recently, so I'm excited to see people. I think a lot of people are attending. Okay guys, I'm heading out to the happy hour. I'm just wearing this old coat that I honestly haven't worn in so long, but it's from Free People. I should really wear it more often because it's so cute and warm. And then underneath, I'm just wearing this plain black sweater from Abercrombie. Jeans are also Abercrombie. Boots are my old Revolve boots that I don't have a link for, unfortunately. Staying cozy and warm because it is so cold outside. It is Friday, best day of the week. I'm officially done with work for the week, but I just got ready because I'm actually headed into the city for a quick little event this morning. Laura Mercier is having a pop-up in Soho. It's like to launch their new foundation. So I'm gonna go check it out, might bop around Soho a little bit. So that is where I'm off to. I'm just wearing this long sleeve from Princess Polly. The back is like open, it's super cute. And then Abercrombie jeans, Converse, Princess Polly bag. It's actually so nice outside today. I think I'm just gonna throw on a leather jacket. I was just out at the dog park with Lennon and it's like 50 degrees. I think the high is 58. The birds were like chirping this morning. I was like, why does it feel like spring? But yeah, I will vlog a little bit at the pop-up and talk to you guys in a bit. I am back home now. I went to the Laura Mercier event. It was so cute. They have a little pop-up in Soho. I don't know why I did my makeup. Like, I didn't think to not do it, but obviously it was a makeup event. And it was like to try out their new foundation. So they like redid my face. The foundation is stunning. I'm glowing. And then I just went to Sephora and picked up a few things that I'm running low on and also a few new products that I wanted to try. I'll do a little Sephora haul real quick. First off, just got another beauty blender because mine is getting a little dingy, so I'm gonna switch it out for this one. And then I got a stock up of the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Last time I got this, I accidentally bought the mini version, so I went through it really quickly, and I use this every day, so needed to get a restock of that. And then I'm so excited to try this. This is the One Size Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. So this is like a makeup remover, and it just seems very interesting, and like unlike other makeup remover products, you just spray this all over your face and then your makeup like slides off and you just rinse and cleanse your face and your makeup's off. And then lastly, I was on the market for a new setting spray. I'm almost out of my Morphe one, and I kind of just wanted to try something different, so I got the Rare Beauty one. I believe this is a mini version, but it's their 4-in-1 mist. Hydrates, primes, sets, and refreshes. So I'm gonna try this out as a setting spray and I will report back. But yeah, that's everything that I got at Sephora. I don't have much planned for the rest of the day. I think I'm gonna take my makeup off, put on sweats, get comfy. I need to catch up on some editing, and then tonight I'm gonna go to my parents' house for dinner, and then my mom and I always watch Drag Race together on Fridays. So we're gonna do that. So I think I'm gonna end off this vlog here, but I hope you guys enjoyed this week in my life. Make sure you subscribe for more videos coming soon. I love you guys, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.